thought men are things that are rational rather than animals. But we're insecure with a God who we found out was in a book. Dozing in the balcony of the universe while we hustle along on the BMT. Dogs, wagon people, the earth, ships, careening off course, lining up in Slovakia, reading Spinoza. Over the hedge to the next doorway, and the spirit is singing Haseo Caro Sassone, the master of vocal music, newly formed Russian republics. I transmute my revolutionary impulses and retreat. I'll go back 9 spaces while the song flows out in a tasteful remembrance. I long to be a tenor too. I long to study conquest across the border like a libretto by Cappellini, calmly undocumented. Who are concealed by the recitative and selective marketing. The young who work for a waistband and a watch band. And like Elmo James floating down the Chicago River in a tweed suit, the living is in the way of choosing. Should I go to Denver? Should I go to LA? Should I go to El Paso? They thought the light was in themselves, but the harsh appearance of the border casting an eye at them like a benefactor. Toss them back into the land they came from, while the black robes adjudicated that their being is not our business. And here we were in this theater, the empty fodder for applauding ants